Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Tough Guy 40. I'm gonna try to get this in again. This is my third taking of trying to do this live unboxing. Man, the first time I accidentally hit the button and cut the camera off. The second time, my SD card ran out of film. So this is the third take. Alright, the ARRMA Unlimitless is here. I'm about to unbox it. And I want to be the one to say first. Now I doing the comments first. Okay, I think I'm first to do an unboxing with this new shipment that just came in, fresh out the press. Introducing the ARRMA Unlimitless. Look how tall this box is standing next to me, and I'm 6 foot. So without further ado, I'm gonna get this third unboxing underway. I hope it works out. All right. That's already cut. That's cut. This one got to get cut. All right. Woo, yeah. It's in there. Like Prego, it's in there. Oh, this is going to be hard. Try to do this with one hand. Oh, yeah. It's real, y'all. It's real. This is going to be a good, in-depth unboxing I'm going to do for y'all today here. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Let's see what we gotta do to get in this box. I don't have much to say. I'm just happy and want to get into this box and be the first to do it with my fans, my subscribers, and all my friends. Oh yeah. Man, this box is huge. I almost dropped the damn thing. Woo! And cut myself with the knife at the same time. Okay. Now we gotta flip it over. Here we go. Da, da, da. Ooh-wee. Oh. Oh. And it does come with a speed pinion gear here. So I already got one. I think this is like a what, 27.2, something like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I know this thing is tied down, so we gotta go over here in the tool drawer and get some wire, get some snips. Oh man. Man, oh man. Come on out of here. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Gotta get it out of the box here. Oh. Woo-wee. I'll catch it right here. Man, this thing is huge. These tires are big. I didn't realize they were that big. Man, tires are pretty big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Brand new. That suspension, man. Ooh, that's pretty nice. This is nice. There you go from the back. Check out the arrow. Okay. Let's see here. Let's pull these out. I never worked with these before. Never done these before. I'm used to the X Maxes. Where the X Max work with the unlatching system. Here we go. Nothing in here, but oh yeah. Wow, I like the chassis brace. This is nice. Big batteries. Big battery trays. They slide. Yes, sir. Tires are real stiff. Good for burning rubber. I got some work to do on this. Wow. Wow. That's where the servo go. Alright, so you can flip this around, huh? And put the motor right here. This where the kill mode is gonna live. Jeez, because I know it's not gonna fit here. You can forget about that. Man, this thing is really well put together. Really well put together. Shocks are nice. The tires are solid. Woo! Oh well. I think that's about it for the unboxing. I'll go into the bag here. Let's see what's in the bag. I don't know what none of this stuff is, but we're gonna figure it out. Here's your bag of tools. Allen wrenches. Nice. That's your speed pinion. Yep. Here's the antenna. Let me see. I can't get in here. I'm anxious to get in there and see, but I know it's empty, but you probably run the antenna up through here. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, yeah. I guess it goes on there something like that. My first time doing it. Got lost. Trying to get the top back on. It's been a long wait. Been a long wait for this thing, and finally I got it. It's here. Got the unboxing done. And I'm going to try to get to work on this thing today to see how far I can get with it. Ow! Ow! I want to know how fast I'm going to be able to go. Oh, I'm going to try to get me like, yeah. Look like 150 miles coming. 150 miles per hour coming. Alright, YouTube, that's the end of this unboxing. I'm going to have me some fun. Peace. Everybody have a good day. Like I said, first. New ARRMA Limitless. Mine.